I have prepared some words to close this workshop, but I'm gonna sum up these words. I only want to say thank you to all of you for take the effort, to make the effort to come here from so far around the world. And this is really worth it to organize this kind of event, of academic event. I'm really proud of this network, of this university for organizing this workshop. And I only want to say that you're welcome whenever you want to come here and present your ideas and discuss. Welcome to this university and to this network. This is an open network, and that's the way we want to be a long time. I think this second international workshop provided a rich platform for dialogue and scholarly exchange. The workshop contributed valuable insights to the ongoing discourse on the principles and practices of private law. Moving forward, the perspective and conclusions drawn from this workshop are poised to inform and enrich legal scholarship and, why not, policy making in diverse contexts. Thank you very much.